One of the most innovative features of the iOS version of Live Home 3D is the ability to place the created home into a real-world surrounding and even walk inside it with the View in AR feature. Note that View in AR is available only for devices with A9 processors. Sharing AR experience is available only for devices running iOS 12 or higher. Now let's see how it works. The first thing you need to do is create the house project. I'll use one of the program templates as an example. Now tap on the Menu button and choose Export, followed by View in AR. Note that you may do the same by tapping the AR button while you're in 2D mode. The dialog that appears allows you to choose which part you want to see in AR: the entire project, current floor, selected objects, or you may just join the nearby AR session. We'll discuss this item a bit later when we get to a chapter where we discuss sharing of AR sessions. The dialog also allows you to control whether to see or not furniture and terrain from the project in AR. True sun lighting for the exported model can also be enabled here. Now tap View in AR to proceed straight to the AR view. This is where all the magic happens. First thing you need to do in the AR view is capture a plane surface to place the model. For this, point your camera at any horizontal flat surface. Move the camera around slowly until the rectangle in the center of the screen turns into a solid outline. Then tap on the plus button and select Scale for the house in AR. It will be placed automatically onto the captured plane surface. You can move and rotate the 3D model of the house using gestures right in the AR view. Once done with positioning the house, you can view it from the different viewpoints. Simply move your device around it. With a large scale, 1:1, you can literally walk inside or around the house. To export a view as an image, tap on the Shutter button. To exit AR view, tap on the X button. If you wish to change the scale, capture another surface, or position the house in a different way, tap on the circular arrow in the top right corner of the screen to restart the AR session. You may also like to share the AR experience with several other iOS devices. For this, 1. Enable a wireless connection such as Wi-Fi or Bluetooth on both casting and receiving devices. 2. The devices you share with should have the latest version of Live Home 3D installed and the same iOS or iPad OS version. 3. Both casting and receiving devices must be located in close proximity. Now on the casting device, open in AR view the project you want to share. On each of the receiving devices, open AR Setup dialog and choose Join to Nearby AR Session option. Tap View in AR. Place the receiving devices as close as possible to the position where the casting device started the AR session. Wait until the receiving devices fully received data from the casting one. Once the home model appears on all devices, you may move and rotate it right in the view. The changes you apply will be seen on all devices. Well, that's all for viewing the home in AR.